Hello everyone, I'm CC. Today, CC is happy to announce that CnosDB 2.0 has officially been released. So, CnosDB is an open source time series database of high performance, high compression rates, and high ease of use. Welcome to join our community at Discord. In this video, CC will guide you on how to quickly get started with using CnosDB. Before we start today's topic, let me show you something. The official website of CnosDB has been launched. You can visit www.CnosDB.com for more information, and the official documentation is there for you as well. You can use this link to download and try CnosDB, and if you have any question or feedback, you can submit them on GitHub or speak up straightly in CnosDB's Discord community. Lastly, you can find all these community activities on www.CnosDB.com community or Discord. Come and join us to participate in these events. Today, CC will demonstrate on how to install and start our first container using Docker. As for the Docker environment, CC won't go into too much detail here, and if you have any question, you can DM CC in Discord. Now that our Docker environment is set up, we will copy the command to start a container using Docker from the installation directory. This command creates a new Docker container for CnosDB 2.0. So, name allows us to name our CnosDB container, and D runs the container in the background. And this means this is the latest version, which has been updated to version 2.0 at present. We hope you can try out and provide feedback on any problems or issue in the CnosDB Discord community. This indicates starting CnosDB in single instance mode. Once entering the command, we can see that the container has started successfully. Next, we execute two commands in the command line. Alright, here comes CnosDB 2.0 that you've been waiting for. The CnosDB container has been built, and CC has prepared some sample data for everyone to start with. Our sample data is public data from China's ocean observatory stations collected between January 14 and April 15, 2022, with 87,360 observations collected every 3 minutes on the two Xiaomaidao and Lianyungang platforms. Please note that the air, sea, and wind data contains virtual data used to clarify the query function in CnosDB. Let's get our CnosDB party started. First, let's start by downloading the sample data. Go ahead and copy that comment from earlier, then paste and running directly in the terminal. That will grab the data we need to work with for this demo. Alright, now let's use the CnosDB client and create the Oceanic Ocean database using create database Oceanic Station. Then execute the data import operation using and show data table using this one. Great! We can now see the air, sea, and wind are already in our oceanic station database. So, how do we query the data in the table? CnosDB 2.0 is SQL friendly. Let's try a simple query. A simple statement we often used at school when learning database. Select from air limit 10. Okay, today's CnosDB Quick Start comes to the end, and next time we will start the CnosDB query. Don't forget to join our Discord community.